everyone! Ellie Sparkles here with this awesome new toy. I wonder what it could be. There are LOL dolls all over it. Give me a big thumbs up if you want to see what we'll do with it.
Hi everyone, it's me, Lux. I'm so excited because my new LOL surprise doll machine came in today. All my friends are on it. Troublemaker, Bonbon, Miss Punk, It Baby, Splash Queen, and a mystery toy. I can't wait to try out the vending machine. I have to put my quarter in and then pick an LOL doll. I'm not sure who we choose first. Can you help me? Awesome! The quarter fit right in. Now, who should I choose? How about my best friend Bonbon? Yeah! I just have to press number 2. What will we get out of this awesome vending machine? An LOL fist toy! That's so great!
Wow! Lux got an LOL charm fist out of the vending machine. This is the coolest vending machine I've ever seen. I wonder which LOL doll friend is next.
It's me, Pranksta. I want to try it out now too. Lux got an awesome fist toy. But I'm way awesomer. So I better get something super cool. Let's put my quarter in and see what I get. Let's start with number 1. Because I'm number 1. It doesn't work. What about number 2? That didn't work either. This next one has to work. 3? What's wrong with this machine? Is this broken? They're out of 4 and 5 too?
You could try the mystery character, Pranksta.
Nah, the mystery character is never anything good. Why bother? I have to have a toy though. I have to find a way to get a toy. I know! I hear someone now. It's Glitter Fancy. I can trick her into getting me a toy. This will be easy. Hi there, Glitter Fancy. That's such a pretty bag you have here. But you know what's better? This machine gives out the best toys ever. How about you trade me your bag for this special coin and you'll get an amazing toy.
Glitter Fancy gave Prankster her bag and is going to use the machine. I hope it works. None of the buttons were working, but Prankster never tried a mystery button number 6. Awesome! Will it work?
I love mystery toys. This is so much fun. I can't wait to see what I get.
It worked! It worked! Glitter Fancy got the best toy ever! An LOL surprise doll! And it's a glitter series!
Hey! No fair! How'd you get an LOL doll? I tried all of the buttons except that mystery button over there. And I didn't get anything! But hey, maybe there's something cool in my new purse. What could it be? Ew, slime! That's all I got? Pink, icky slime? No fair! Glitter Fancy always gets the best stuff.
Yuck! Slime? That's so icky. I guess Prankster shouldn't play tricks on her friends. Now, let's open your surprise doll, Glitter Fancy. It's going to be so amazing. Time to get started. The first layer is really exciting because we get to see the hint. The hint is diamonds are forever. Diamonds are so sparkly. This girl must love glittery stuff and diamonds. Let's keep going so we can find out who we got. Look at this. It shows everything the LOL doll might be able to do. She will either cry, change colors, spit, or Tinkle? What is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Now we get to open our first accessory. It's a glittery pink bottle. That's so pretty. It reminds me of Glitter Fancy's bottle. What could be the next thing we open? Maybe shoes? Yes! It's pretty pink shoes with white socks. This LOL doll definitely loves pink. Do you think all of her stuff is pink? Only one way to find out. We have to open more stuff. And what will she wear? A glittery pink dress. Wow, this is the most glittery dress ever. I can't wait to open more accessories. Is the next accessory a hat? No, it's a bow. A big pink bow. This all looks so familiar. I think I know this LOL doll, but I can't remember her name. But we'll find out soon, because this is her. It's Glitter Fancy? No wonder she looked familiar. Glitter Fancy got the Glitter Fancy LOL doll. Awesome! I know they will be best friends. There's one difference in them though. This Glitter Fancy is so silly and spits water. You're so silly, Fancy. The other Glitter Fancy doesn't spit, she cries. This is the best thing ever. They're both so excited to meet each other. These two girls look exactly alike. Do you think they could be twins? Two Glitter Fancies. We're so lucky.
Oh, Ellie Sparkles, this is the worst. I didn't get any good stuff. I only got slimed. If I promise not to trick anyone again, can I have another chance?
Okay, Prankster. Since you promised, here's another quarter. Have fun.
Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll try the mystery one, just like Glitter Fancy did.
It worked, Prankster. You got a Disney Tsum Tsum blind bag. Let's go ahead and open it up. I hope you got a really awesome character since you're trying to be a good girl now. Aw, it's Lotso! A bear toy from Toy Story 3 that loves hugs so much. Me too! Hugs are the best. Prankster really loves this new toy. She promises that being a good girl is what she wants to do. She's much happier this way, and she gets new toys.
Thanks so much, Ellie Sparkles. Today was a great day.
No problem. Anything for our friends. We played with a brand new fun vending machine and got sweet prizes. If you love playing with me and my friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, are you ready for our next adventure? Let's go!